Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check that your phone supports the carrier's 5G bands and that your SIM or eSIM is 5G enabled. Once done, update the operating system and carrier settings so radios run optimal firmware. This prevents connection issues. Next, enable cellular data and set preferred network to 5G or 5G auto in settings. You do this now because a compatible, updated device is the foundation for stable 5G performance. Once prerequisites are set, optimize your network parameters to get the best real-world throughput and latency. You should choose 5G auto to balance battery and speed, or 5G only for maximum performance, and verify the carrier APN is correct because an incorrect APN slows or blocks data. Also remove active VPNs or proxies while testing, since they can mask raw latency. Finally, reposition the device near windows or higher floors to improve line of sight to small cells and reduce obstruction-related signal loss. To finish, validate performance and lock instability. Run several speed and latency tests at different times and places so you measure typical experience. Make sure carrier aggregation and mmWave are enabled where supported, and consider an external antenna or signal booster for consistent indoor coverage. If you hit problems, first reboot the radio, try the SIM or eSIM in another 5G device, and reset network settings. If that fails, escalate to carrier support with your test logs so they can pinpoint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.